If you want to hide a photo or a video on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to the gallery. Now over here you can select whichever photo or video you want to hide, and we can tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose Add to Album. And among these options at the top you should be able to find the private album, so we can select it, and then we're gonna press OK. Now in here we need to use our fingerprint, for example, in order to confirm, and there we go, we have added our photo or video, of course, to the private album. You can also select multiple things at once, so let's say I'm gonna select this photo and also this one and this screenshot, maybe, why not? And we can press Add to Album at the bottom, and we can do exactly the same thing. Private album, verify yourself, and there we go, we have moved selected items to the private album. Now in order to find it, of course, we can go to this section over here where we have different stuff, different categories and albums and so on and so forth. And you can swipe down in here in order to open the private album. There we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.